So students, today we will study about series combination and parallel combination of cells. First I will take series combination of cells. Suppose that n number of cells each having EMF E and internal resistance R are connected in series. So this is one cell, its EMF is E and internal resistance R. Another cell of same EMF, same internal resistance. Again same EMF and same internal resistance cell, and this is up to n cell. They are connected in series, and now this combination is connected across an external resistance R. I am connecting it to an external resistance R. So you know that in series total EMF will be equal to sum of potential difference across each component. So equivalent EMF E equivalent will be E plus E plus E up to n number of cell. Means equivalent EMF is equal to n times E. Now all resistors, internal resistors and series are in series. R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Therefore R equivalent will be equal to R plus R plus R up to n terms. Therefore R equivalent is equal to NR. And you know that current drawn from cell I is equal to E upon R plus R, small r plus capital R. Therefore current through cell I will be equal to E equivalent upon R plus R equivalent. It means I is equal to E equivalent is NE and R equivalent is NR. Therefore I is equal to NE upon R plus NR. Therefore when similar cells are connected in series, then current drawn from the cell I is equal to NE upon R plus N times small r. Now cells in parallel. Suppose that n number of cells, each of EMF E and internal resistance R are connected in parallel. All cells are connected in parallel. EMF of each cell is E and internal resistance is R, and this is an external resistance. This combination is connected across an external resistance R. Since all the cells, all the components are connected in parallel, their potential difference across each is same. Therefore E equivalent is equal to E only. Now all internal resistance are in parallel. Therefore 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R up to n terms. Therefore R equivalent is equal to R by M. Now since current through the cell, current from the cell I is equal to E upon R plus R. Therefore here I will be E equivalent upon R plus R equivalent. Therefore I will be equal to E equivalent is E and R equivalent is R upon M. Therefore I is equal to ME upon MR plus R. Therefore, when similar cells are connected in parallel, then current drawn from the cell is ME upon M times capital R plus small r. Now I will discuss about mixed combination of cells. Means combinations in which few cells are in series and some series are connected in parallel. Then what is the current drawn from this combination? Suppose that there are n number of cells, each of MFE and internal relations R. They are connected in series. N number of cells E, internal relation R, they are connected in series. And m number of such series are connected in parallel, 1, 2, 3, m. And this whole combination is connected across an external resistance R. Now, equivalent EMF of each series, E equivalent of each series E dash is equal to E plus E plus E up to n terms. Means E dash equivalent is equal to NE. Now m such series are in parallel, and in parallel potential difference is same. Therefore equivalent EMF E equivalent is equal to NE. Now equivalent internal resistance of each series R dash equivalent is equal to R plus R plus R up to n terms. Therefore, R dash equivalent will be equal to n times R, and such n R are connected in parallel. Therefore, 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon NR plus 1 upon NR plus 1 upon NR up to m terms. Therefore, R equivalent will be equal to NR upon M. And therefore, current through cell I will be equal to NE upon R plus NR by M. Or you can also write I is equal to MNE upon MR plus NR. This is the formula for current drawn from the cell when n number of cells are connected in series and m such series are connected in parallel.